So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off and this first one here is already done, but the next 4 need to be done. So I'm gonna do that side first, then come over here and weld all these on this side here, as you can see, and then I'll take care of the ones in the middle. That's what we'll be doing today. So I'm gonna start off doing is grinding this down right here, get it down to metal, that way it'll be a little bit easier to weld. And one of the biggest problems I've been having while I've been up here is the damn wind. It seems like every time I put my hand on my MIG gun, all of a sudden the wind wants to blow. So what I'm thinking about doing is building a windshield or a wind barrier that's got like some magnetic feet. That way I can go ahead and place it on here and then have a cloth that goes around it and hopefully block the wind. I saw some online, but they're hundreds of dollars. So I'm hoping I can make one for, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks or something. But we'll see what happens. Let's get started. And if y'all haven't gotten yourselves a magnetic mount for your ground, I highly suggest it. It makes this so much easier. So there's a problem I'm talking about. The wind comes in, makes a mess of my damn weld. So I try to get a cover to try and block some of it for now. But I know it looks silly, but it does the trick. One thing that's been very helpful with this is this damn scissor lift. Bought it at auction for $2,000 and then put some money in it to get the steering working, and it works just fine. Being able to carry my welder on there, gas bottle, and myself, and be able to move around this has made building this a lot easier, because originally I was going to use like a little scaffolding like I have over there. But that was a pain in the butt going up and down with, and I couldn't get the welder up there. And then I bought that little I don't know, warehouse ladder or whatever, and that's a pain in the butt going up and down, and again, can't get my welder on there. But this scissor lift, once I'm done building this, I'll be able to sell that and get my money back. And if you're curious about this tab right here that you're seeing in between each one, I originally designed this, I was gonna go with 18 inches, where I was gonna have a seat purlin going across every 18 inches. And this is my first one, and I'm pretty sure you can tell I'm overbuilding it, I guess. But then I just changed it up and decided to do it every 3 feet. So every 3 feet I'll have a purlin going across. So these tabs are there. I might cut them off, might leave them. If they're not bothering anything, I'll just leave them alone. But here's the last one on this side. Let's take care of it. So here on this weld, I actually wasn't even hitting this angle piece with the purling at all. I was actually missing it. And it's hard for me to see whenever I'm welding. So I have these readers here that I use, but also I found online you have these magnifiers that you can actually put inside your welding helmet. And this has made my welding so much better. I happen to miss it on this one, but with this, with my reading glasses, I mean, I can see so much better, and my welding looks better as well. Got it off of Amazon, by the way. So here I had to use a C-clamp because this C-purling was sticking out a little too much. So I needed to bring it in a little bit more so it'd be flush with the edge here. And all of these are all cut the same, 237.5 inches. So I just wanted to make sure it was even with the edge, and that's the reason for the C-clamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind it up, put some tack welds, remove the C-clamp, and then finish welding it up. So here we have it. I finished welding the last two over here and then these four here. And I didn't videotape it, but me and my dad went ahead and put a tarp over. And just to give it some shade, that way whenever I'm sanding down the R panels and repainting them, I'm in the shade, not out in the sun.